Hi, I'm Jim Tonkin, and we're talking about packaging. Now, packaging is an area that you all know well, I'm sure. It probably is one of the most important areas in beverage selection that you'll deal with in the whole process of bringing a new beverage or even reformulating or repackaging and redelivering an old beverage. The Coca-Cola company, as an example, goes through packaging changes with frequency, although, as you'll probably recall, their logo never changes. It's always white, it's always on a red background, so you'll know it no matter where you are in 150 countries around the world. It's a Coca-Cola brand. Today, to get into the beverage business, you can have a great functional beverage, you can have a water with some crazy ingredient or a high pH level, or you can focus on the package as the delivery system that's going to entice the consumer to try to lift your product off the shelf. And when you're amongst hundreds of others on a beverage aisle, you've got to have something that screams, "Buy me." So packaging is one of those areas that is really important to beverage marketers. If you've got a dull-looking package that has a very hard-to-read script or a brand name that doesn't make sense to people, you're really injuring the potential of bringing your product to market and getting that all-important trial and, more importantly, the repurchase of your brand, because that's the sustainable platform. And speaking of sustainability, today, as you read in every single paper, watch it on TV news, sustainability and packaging ingredients, meaning the plasticized aspects of packaging compounds, the recyclability issues, the eco-friendly or eco-bad ideas that some packaging companies impart to our ecological balance, to the landfills, the cost of recycling, the availability of recycling in certain parts of the country and certainly outside of the U.S. These are all things that have to be considered when you're putting a package together. How eco-friendly are you? What's the cost of your package? Is it driving the cost of your beverage up so much that consumers won't be able to afford to buy your product? Those are all important aspects of thinking about packaging. Sustainability, ease of use. How many raw materials am I burning to get this product put into a great package and bring it to consumers? Think about that as you bring your package to market.